Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. S. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get into your math assignments on our Google Classroom, which is right here. Go ahead and log into your Google accounts for school. If you need help with that, have your mom and dad let me know. On the stream, you're going to see a question that I'd like you to answer for today. What kind of snack do you want to earn with your dojo points when we return? And you're going to go ahead and answer right here in this box. Let me know what you want to earn. For this week, for math, I want you to go to classwork, and you're going to scroll down to the math section and see e-learning week 2. When you click on e-learning week 2, there's a couple of things. You're going to be able to see this extra math, which is the student sign-in page, and you're also going to be able to see a usernames and passwords page. That's how you find your username and password to log in. This is a program that we're going to be using for most of the time that we're doing e-learning because it's customized to you. So it's going to help you with whatever level of math you need, and then I can go in and see where I can help you with some extra things. So when you click on extra math, it's going to bring you to the program, and I want to show you a little video about the program.
Hi kids, I want to tell you about a program called Extra Math. It will help you get better and faster at math. You want to be better and faster at math, don't you? Getting better at anything requires practice, and in Extra Math, we are going to practice math facts. By math facts, I mean the one-digit addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts, like 6 plus 8 equals 14, or 7 times 9 equals 63. Sometimes you might do extra math in the classroom, and sometimes you might do it at home. Your teacher will tell you where and when you should do extra math. Let's see how it works in the classroom. Your teacher will show you how to start extra math on a tablet or computer. Also, your teacher will give you a 4-digit PIN number. This PIN number is your secret password for extra math. Don't share it with other students. When the teacher asks you to do extra math, get a tablet or go to a computer and start extra math. Select your name from the list and enter your PIN number to sign in. I will appear in a video and tell you what to do. Mostly, you will be answering math problems like this one. You just need to figure out the answer and type it in. Keep answering the questions until I tell you that you are finished. When you are done, Extra Math will show the name of another student in your class. If they aren't in school that day, press the absent button. If they can't take a turn because they are busy with something else, press the busy button. In either case, Extra Math will pick another student for a turn. Now, it is your job to find that person, quietly of course, and let them know it is their turn. Isn't that easy? Now let's see how Extra Math works at home. Your teacher will give you a flyer to take home to your parents. After an adult follows the instructions on the flyer, you will be able to do extra math at home. They can show you how to start extra math on a home computer, tablet, or phone. Select your name to sign in. Practicing math at home is the same as practicing at school. That was easy too. Of course, practicing math facts may not be easy, and after a while, it might not be as much fun as it was in the beginning. Still, it is important that whenever you do extra math, give it your best effort. If you do, you will make good progress, and you will be better and faster at math.
If you have any questions about how to log into Extra Math, please let me know. You can contact me in our Google Classroom. You can also have your parents dojo me, or you can email me at this school. All my contact information is on the stream page of our Google Classroom if you have any questions. If you want to see other assignments we have coming up, go to the stream page, click right here where it says upcoming, click on view all, and you can see all of the classroom assignments that we have. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything.